Greeting friends, this video would feature a very important property of carbohydrates or monosaccharides, that is asymmetry or chirality. So what do we mean by chirality or asymmetry? See here, this is a geometrical property shown by some molecules or atoms. In the context of this topic, this is of course about carbon atom. Okay, so what is a chiral carbon or asymmetric carbon? A chiral or asymmetric carbon, what is this? This is a carbon that is attached to 4 different atoms or group of atoms. We know carbon has a valency of 4, so it can attach to 4 atoms. It can make 4 bonds, simple. So the carbon which is attached to 4 different atoms or 4 different group of atoms is referred to as a chiral carbon or asymmetric carbon center. Okay, so what is the result of this property? If there is chirality, what is the result of this? Okay, now we are going to discuss this. The result of this is sterioisomerism. What is sterioisomerism now? Before that, we split this term: stereo, iso and merism. Meaning of stereo is the 3D arrangement of atoms. Iso means, we all know, same. Okay, merism means duplication or repetition. So the perfect definition for this is a phenomenon which is shown by stereoisomers, that is the isomeric molecules that have the same molecular formula but have different 3D arrangement of atoms in space. So simple. Okay, now we know this. What is this stereoisomerism, which is the result of this chirality? The question arises is here that how many stereoisomers we can have in a compound which is a monosaccharide. So that can be found or that can be calculated using this formula, which is very easy. You can solve any question in which you would be asked about how many stereo centers, or I must say how many stereoisomers you can have from this particular given compound. So in this case we have this 2 which is raised to the power n. Okay, now n here is number of asymmetric carbon centers or asymmetric or chiral center. Okay, chiral carbon center. Example is glyceraldehyde here and glucose here. This is D-glucose, this is D-glyceraldehyde. In case of D-glyceraldehyde, which is the simplest of all carbohydrates, we have only one carbon, chiral carbon. Okay, and in this case D-glucose, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So here are 4 chiral carbon. In this case only 1 chiral carbon. Okay, so put this value here. How many? 2. Only 2 isomers. Okay, in this case 2 raised to 4. How many? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16 isomeric molecules. So now types of stereoisomers. There are mainly 4 types of stereoisomers. First is enantiomers, second is diastereomers, third one anomers, fourth one is apimers. I think this video will help. Okay, thank you.